Everyone, this is the Shady Thrifter, and today's edition of the Shady Thrifter is on black dresses. This video will show you about 10 dresses that I thrifted. About 8 of them are vintage and 2 are from current retail brands until I believe in H&M, but the rest are vintage dresses. And I'm happy to have you here, so let's just get to so the first dress that I want to show you is this beautiful vintage dress, and it is a mini or midi dress. I would say mini dress, and it's all 100% wool. It's vintage, and the reason why I included this dress in this video is simply because of the details along the back of the dress. This dress is extremely heavy, and as you can see, this has, and I don't know why the camera makes it look like it has something on it, but it has these beautiful buttons. The next dress I have is this beautiful BCBG Max dress that I have, and it is simply gorgeous. I got this from a thrift store here locally. As you can see, it's a long dress. It has this beautiful chiffon on the dress, and as I say, I will try to dress on so you can see. But BCBG Mac Aria dress, and it is simply beautiful. Yeah, so that is dress number 2 in this black dress edition. The third dress is this dress that is by Ann Teller. And I'm not sure if the camera is picking up the quality of this dress, but as you can see, this dress is a simple black dress. Simple black dress. However, it has this beautiful bow detail. It's a midi dress, so it comes, you know, just a little below the knee, probably closer to the calf. But yeah, this dress is simply beautiful. And the fourth dress is this dress here, which is simply beautiful. And this is a dress, surprisingly, from H&M. I recently got this dress because of the beautiful, as you can see, it's almost like, I don't know what you call this material, but it's so glam. I just thought it was so glamorous, and I paid $12.49 for this dress from Savers. Okay, sorry guys. Dress number 5 is this dress, and this is a vintage dress by Saks Fifth Avenue. And this dress I purchased this dress simply for the details of the back of the dress. This gold rope detail that I thought was simply stunning for an event. As I said, it's a vintage dress from Saks Fifth Avenue, and you can see there, size 6, Saks Fifth Avenue, and I hope I can fit this dress. If not, I will list this dress on my Poshmark. But yeah, I got this also from, I definitely got this dress from Goodwill, a Goodwill retail store, and I thought this dress was simply beautiful. Black dress thrifted collection. Dress number 6, and this would be another vintage dress. Okay, and a sure way to tell a vintage dress is the metal zippers. Metal zipper is a telltale that the dress is vintage. It doesn't have anything, and this dress was actually custom made for someone. I hope the person was me, because I love this dress. Dress number 7 is this beautiful St. John by Marie Gray dress. I purchased this dress recently, and I included this dress in one of my top thrifted items video, and this is a St. John's dress, over $1,000 dress. I paid $6.99 the local Goodwill for this dress, and I love this dress. It is, I have not worn it yet, but the detail here on the collar, the chiffon sleeves, I don't even know what kind of, it's like a ruching around the collar that just makes this dress simply stunning. This is a beautiful dress, and I cannot wait to wear it to either some New Year's or formal black tie event, but it's simply gorgeous. And yeah, like I said, this is what you can get when you shop thrift, secondhand, upcycle, you know, save the earth clothing, no fast fashion. This is what you can get with the tag on it. I mean, you can dress this up or dress this down. I mean, this is absolutely beautiful. Okay, and the final dress that we have today for our thrifted black dress edition is this beautiful dress that I got about a week ago from the Goodwill. And I mean, of course, you know why I got it. I mean, it still has the tag on it. I haven't even, and this was $8.99 at my local Goodwill. Another sweater dress, and it has these, oh my goodness, these buttons. It's just so, but this is just, I mean, this is so nice. I mean, $8.99 for this dress with this. I mean, the buttons alone, if you order them on Amazon, it's going to be $8, $9 for just about 4 or 5 buttons. But here you have about 20 buttons on each side, or 15 buttons on each side of this dress. Thank you for everyone who has recently subscribed to my channel. Those who are new to my channel, I hope that you are liking my videos. I hope that you bear with me. I am so new to this whole YouTube fashion vlogging, you know, thing, and I'm just, every video hopefully gets better. I'm just trying to be as natural and as real as possible. I don't want to bring you fake. There's enough fake on YouTube. But yeah, this is my thrifted black dress edition. And just so you know, thrifting is so much fun. Hopefully my videos will inspire you to go out, thrift, recycle, donate. You know, just join us in this whole thrifted movement. I mean, it's enough of thrifting out here for all of us. Fashion is fun. Thrifting is just, it's refreshing, and once you go, you will just love it. You know, get your girlfriends or your guy friends and y'all haul up a car and go to the thrift store and literally just see what it is you could find. You will be surprised. Take care, God bless, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.